No one care about your dual employment. If you have done moonlight activities, you need to resolve your problem from your side. HR people will not sit with you. Your parents will worry about your issues. They could not do anything. Okay? Try to do some alternative direction in order to get the new opportunity in the big MNCs as well. Okay? The truth is, if you have done dual employment or moonlight activities, HR people straightforward, they will reject. Okay? If they do the background verification, once joined in the organization, they will terminate you. Okay? With dual employment, I am suggesting alternative suggestions. We cannot delete the entry. I will tell you how to join in the new organization with your dual employment. Okay? My email ID available in this video description. You can send email to me. Once done your consulting fee, we will discuss. Consulting fee is very huge. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.